Assalamu alaikum friends. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's videos, viewers, I will share YouTube crafts ideas. I hope you viewers enjoy my video. So let's start today videos. So friends, let's start today videos. First, a jute top basket. What jute top in your worker and glue layer by layer. Bring the size slowly. Storage the makeup toys or crochet item. Jute candle holder. Apply glue on jar. Warp jute top around it. Add laser bead. Your candle holder is ready. Jute wall hanging. Tie jute thread on a wooden stick. Add beads or shells. Bow home decoration. Jute flower vase. And dear friend, weavers, cover full bottle with drop, add small jute flowers or artificial flowers, decoration, and weavers. Friends, weavers, jute handbag, simple handmade jute bags. Cut jute fabric, stitch ideas, add handles, top or cloth, friendly and stylish. Your handbag is ready. So, friends, I hope you like my videos. So please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more videos, updates. So viewers, Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my videos and thanks for watching my channel. So friends, Allah Hafiz, see you in the next video.